Professional electrical design software is essential for residential and commercial applications. Several software options are available, each with its strengths and weaknesses. Firstly, consider AutoCAD Electrical. This is industry-leading software for professional electrical engineers. It offers comprehensive tools for detailed electrical design and documentation, an extensive symbol library and customizable templates, and powerful circuit analysis and reporting capabilities. Secondly, Revit Electrical is BIM, or Building Information Modeling, software specifically tailored for electrical design. It integrates seamlessly with Revit architecture for coordinated design, provides three-dimensional visualization and clash detection capabilities, and supports advanced lighting and power distribution design. Thirdly, E3 Series is a German-developed software known for its precision and efficiency. It offers a full suite of electrical engineering tools, from schematic design to wiring diagrams, features a user-friendly interface and customizable database, and is ideal for complex electrical systems and industrial and commercial applications. Fourthly, Trimble SketchUp Studio is three-dimensional modeling software with a dedicated extension for electrical design called SketchUp Pro Electrical. It allows for quick and easy modeling of electrical systems, includes a library of electrical symbols and fixtures, and is suitable for generating visuals and basic design documentation. Fifthly, Electrical CAD by Eagle is circuit board design software with capabilities for electrical system design. It offers a wide range of features, including schematic capture, simulation, and layout, a user-friendly interface, an extensive symbol library, and is ideal for designing embedded systems and small electrical assemblies. When selecting electrical design software, several considerations should be taken into account. Firstly, project size and complexity. Consider the scale and technical requirements of your projects. Larger, more complex projects may require more advanced software features. Secondly, collaboration and workflow. Determine if you need software that supports collaboration with other engineers or architects. BIM software like Revit Electrical excels in this area. Thirdly, compatibility. Ensure the software is compatible with your operating system and any existing software you use. Check for file format compatibility to ensure seamless data exchange. Fourthly, support and training. Consider the availability of user support and training resources. A good support system can help you learn the software and troubleshoot any issues you encounter. Fifthly, cost. Set a budget for the software and factor in any ongoing licensing or subscription fees. Some software offers a one-time purchase option, while others require a subscription. For residential and commercial electrical system design, either AutoCAD Electrical or Revit Electrical would be a suitable option. Both software packages offer comprehensive features, industry-standard support, and the ability to meet the requirements of permitting and review processes.